Compensation you deserve. After after a catastrophic trucking accident, an accident involving a large commercial truck can cause catastrophic injuries and significant financial hardship for passenger. In the smaller vehicle at Remy Law Firm PLLC, we understand how frightening a truck accident can be. Dealing with up, dealing with the aftermath can feel completely overwhelming. Track accident lawyer Hardin R. Ramos has spent over 20 years representing tax petitions after serious catastrophe accidents. He has helped individuals affected by spinal cord or traumatic brain injuries as well as families who want to file wrongful death suits. If you were injured or lost a loved one in a trucking accident, reach out to our firm online. Truck accident. In most cases, the people in passenger vehicle are much more likely to be injured or killed in an accident with a truck. The effect of a trucking accident, due to their size and weight, large trucks pose a substantial risk for serious injury or death, especially when they collide with smaller passenger vehicle. Common injuries that results include spinal cord damage, traumatic brain injuries, major organ damage, loss of life, broken bones. They are also more likely to be fatal. Severe injuries can change the entire course of your life and leave you with crushing medical expenses. Filing a lawsuit against those responsible for your injury can help alleviate some of the financial difficulties and hold driver or tracking companies accountable for their action. Our team at Remy Law Firm can evaluate your accident and determine whether you have a case for personal injury suit. Understanding the causes and help build a strong case. In most motor vehicle accidents, one of the drivers is to blame. However, our team has represented many different cases, including driver fatigue. While strict guidelines exist for how long a truck driver can be behind the wheel, these rules are often broken due to raised pressure to deliver as much as possible, as fast as possible. This often leads to overtired and dangerous drivers. Insufficient training. Cost cutting measures by the trucking company can lead to experienced driver behind the wheel of massive, difficult to manage vehicles. Unrealistic schedules. Many companies set up a system of incentives that push drivers to take on more cargo than they can safely transport.